Quick guide of 828 ACM heavy-duty automatic webbing cutting and marking machine. HighTex 828 ACM is one of the best quality webbing cutter with point marking. After connect to 220 to 240 volts, 50-60 Hz electric power, an air compressor. 0.5-0.6 mph air pressure. Turn on the machine. Click the screen to enter main interface. Turn on heating switch. The green number indicates the set temperature. Click the setting button. Click the number selection button. Then press up and down buttons to modify the value. Click this button to save and exit. The maximum temperature no more than 500 Celsius. The red number indicates the actual temperature of blade. Step feeding length means cutting length. Click here to modify the veil, for example 1000. Step current location means the webbing feeding distance. Cutting knife means manually cutting. Click close to close knives. And click open to open the knife. Star up is start key. The function is same to green start button on the left. Suspend is pause key, the function same to red pause button on the left. Put webbing in. Move the limit bar according to webbing width. Then tighten bolts. Click Set Open. Then click Manual Screen. Click Close in Manage to down air cylinder. Loosen the screw. Mount making pen. Just the pen height. Tighten screws. Click Open in Manage to lift air cylinder. Click back to main interface. Click Knife Delay to set dwell time. For example 1.2, the knife will close, cut, for 1.2 second. Click Delay Parameter to enter marking dwell time setting interface. Timing delay means marking dwell time. Timing reset time mean the time between dotting and feeding. Step delay feeding mean the time between cutting and feeding. Click back to main interface. Click Set off back to main interface. Click Management Settings, enter to marking setting interface. Click Hit Points to set marking point quantity in, for example 3. Click Step Feeding Length to set cutting length, for example 1200. Click Dot 1 Position to set the distance between first point and webbing end, no less than 150. Click Dot 2 Position to set the distance between second marking point and webbing end. Click Dot 3 Position to set the distance between third marking point and webbing end. The value of last making point cannot exceed total cutting length. After setting, click Write Recipe to save. Click back to main interface. Click Total Number Setting to input cutting quantity. Batch settings means batch quantity, for example 2. Batch delay means waiting time for between each batch, for example 5. With above setting, machine will wait 5 seconds after 2 cutting. 1 batch. Press and hold Step Forward Rotation to move the webbing forward. Press and hold Step Reversal to move the webbing backward. Press and hold Step Forward Rotation to move webbing till the webbing pass through cutter. Press the green Start button. The machine will automatically cut off excess webbing, align the webbing and start working. After finish cutting quantity, a prompt box will appear. Click the OK key to remove the prompt box. Then press 0 to clear number. You can start next production task. Measure the cutting length. See if it is same to setting length. If the actual cutting length is 1195 mm, setting length is 1200 mm, there are 5 mm of short, then set the cutting length as 1205 mm. The actual cutting length will be 1200 mm. Match up the target length. If the actual cutting length is 1210 mm, set the cutting length as 1190 mm. The actual cutting length will be 1200 mm. If you have any additional question, or contact our engineer at info@automatic-sewing.com. Thank you for your time.